Hey, I need y'all to help me get this video to 1,000 likes. Let's run them likes up, Bash Mob. Let's do it one time for the one time. Hey, yo, check this out. We are doing a MARTIALWAL apparel unboxing. You know what I'm saying? This is your boy Bash. You already know. So we're going to open up some new clothes that I just got from MARTIALWAL.com. You know what I mean? Shout out to MARTIALWAL.com. And let's get to it, man. Shout out to the brand. Shout out to the clothing brand. So let's do it, man.
I copped on the case, but I couldn't beat it. She said I could fuck, but if I pull up, then I gotta eat it. Got me a bird and broke it to half and sold it in pieces. Don't throw a sub and then we run down, you say you didn't mean it. If I get a word, them killers ain't knocking, they kicking your door.
So look, we're doing a MARTIALWAL unboxing. We're gonna unbox everything MARTIALWAL has sent. You know what I'm saying? I got my package for my clothing, so sorry. Definitely, man. Definitely. Look what we got. Oh my God. Wow. Voila. Alright, the first thing I got is, okay, this must be a sweatsuit. Well, it's like it's a pants. Okay, so we got some pants here. You know what I'm saying? We got the whole yes sir. This is this goes with this. This whole outfit goes together, so we lit. Alright, what else we got? Whoa, we got some stuff. I got the MARTIALWAL hoodie. Oh, it's about to get litty. About to get litty. Alright, so yeah. We got this. You know what I'm saying? What else I got? I got some stuff, you know what I mean? I got some joint. Okay, hold on, what's this? What is this? What the heck is this? Okay, we lit, you know what I'm saying? MARTIALWAL.com. Alright, so looking, we got the hoodie going on, because it is hoodie season, you know what I mean? Shout out to MARTIALWAL for that, that's fire. Okay, and yes, I know y'all like, why do you have a pink hat, Bash?
Ha! Gay!
You know what I'm saying? I want a pink hat, man. I'm gonna wear this on stream. I'm sure people really get a pink hat. Cause I got it from MARTIALWAL.com. You know what I'm saying? That's why. Yeah. Alright. Look at this. Come on. This is one of my favorite hats. I gave this hat away when I first got it. You know what I'm saying? Cause that's how it is. When you're doing videos, you get your hats away when you're done with your clothes. I always do that. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Boom. And I got a MARTIALWAL face mask. You feel me? Big dubs on the face mask. You feel me? Big W on the face mask. Why is not focusing in on the face mask? Like, I'm not quite understanding the logic of this.
5 minutes later.
Okay, but yeah, it's a face mask. It's not focusing. Yeah, but it's a face mask, y'all. Anyway, yo, shout out to MARTIALWAL for the lovely, lovely apparel. Let's put all it back in the box. You know what I'm saying? For the lovely apparel. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be lit. I'm not doing any videos or music right now, so I'm wearing all this on stream, man. It's gonna be lit. Big shout out to MARTIALWAL for hooking me up with my gear. You know what I'm saying? Because if anybody that's gonna look sexy in the gear, it's gonna be me.
You smell that? I smell cap.
Alright, I'm out of here. It's your boy Bash. Much love, man. MARTIALWAL.com.